Your cell phone dies. Tablets and technology run out of juice. And when you least expect it, your battery is dead. Tires are flat. Equipment is deflated, leaving you stranded, frustrated, and on edge. Not anymore. Now you can charge up, power up, and pump up anytime, anywhere. Introducing the revolutionary Smartech Power Kit. It's an amazing portable power pack that quickly charges all your devices.
You can pump up the tires, you can charge your computers.
You can jump your car. If you have a battery, you need Smartech.
It's also a powerful 500-amp jump starter that will fire up your motorcycles, cars, SUVs, trucks, and boats.
Bingo! Like magic.
That's not all. It's a rugged 150 PSI air pump for easy inflation of pool toys, bike tires, even auto and truck tires.
Having Smartech is a lot more convenient than having something big and bulky such as the air compressor, and I'm not tethered to the wall. So having this on the go is very convenient.
It's also a powerful 3-function LED flashlight. And it's so compact, it stores anywhere, so you can use it everywhere.
This tool here can help not only you, but it can help people around you.
But call now and the Smartech Power Kit can be yours for not 4, but 3 easy payments of $49.99. This makes a great gift for your family and friends. Be among the first 200 to order and also get this high-quality 250-lumen LED headlamp, nearly a $30 value, free. Just pay separate shipping. That's a total value of over $300 for just 3 easy payments of $49.99. Order with confidence, thanks to Smartech's ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Never be chained to a wall outlet again. Never huff and puff over a tire pump again. Never be caught with a dead battery again.